For my birthday this year, I booked a very nice hotel room so my friends and I can safely and comfortably have a girls' night. Let's take a quick break to talk about my favorite jewelry brand ever. It is Ana Luisa. For my birthday, Ana Luisa sent me a few of their new pieces. I am absolutely in love with these threader pearl earrings, and I have added new additions to my ring stack. Every single ring that I own from Ana Luisa has been remaining so well in terms of quality and color. They don't tarnish at all, even though I have been owning them for over 2 years now. At a very affordable price range that doesn't compromise quality, Ana Luisa has pieces for everyone. So I recommend checking out their website because they are having a sale going on right now. Also, if you use the link in my description box, you can get extra discount as well on Ana Luisa website. Can we talk about how cute this heart pendant necklace is? I've been loving the red lately, and this necklace is just a nice touch to my wardrobe for spring. Ana Luisa also offers free shipping and free returns, so go ahead and order yours today. Now let's get back to the video. We can have a slumber party, we get ready together, we go to dinner together. Actually, the restaurant that I'll be celebrating my birthday is also in the same hotel. I also booked a birthday photo shoot as well, so follow me on my Instagram account at Famia if you haven't already to stay tuned for those pictures. Honestly, one of my favorite things before going out is actually the getting ready with my friends. We get to help each other get ready, girls talk, and all of that good stuff. We also brought our own bottles of rosé just because we're gonna have some wine and get ready and hang out. Anyways, I just want to do a quick tour of the hotel room to show you guys. Stay tuned for tons and tons of birthday content coming up next. Bye! Just a reminder, if you use the link in my description box below, you can get Ana Luisa pieces for up to 30% off.